Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix satellite message not working on iPhone. There may be few reasons on why this is happening. The first thing you need to do is check your compatibility. Ensure that your iPhone model supports satellite messaging. Currently, only certain models like the iPhone 14 and above have this feature. Now, another thing what you can do is you can go to your settings and there you can tap on General. Now there you can simply tap on Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. If not, then you can simply update it. Now another thing you can do is you can check your signal. Satellite messaging requires a clear view of the sky. Move to an open area if you are in a location with obstruction like building or trees. Even after that, if you are having a trouble, then you can simply restart your iPhone. You can simply slide to power off, and after 5 to 10 seconds you can simply restart your phone. And these are some of the ways to fix satellite messaging not working on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.